discovered a way to turn pure lavender hydrosol into a calming, multi-use everyday spray. And I was not expecting it to work this well. Hi, I'm Shyla from Simply Earth, and when I came across this recipe, I had to give it a try. A floral spray that freshens the air, soothes your skin, and it smells like a lavender field. Yes, please. Most sprays out there rely on synthetic fragrances and harsh chemicals to feel fresh. This one, all natural, no junk, and totally DIY. Here's how I made it. Start by removing the cap of your pure lavender hydrosol. This plant-based ingredient is loved for its soft floral aroma and soothing skin benefits. Unlike essential oils, it's water-based and mild, making it perfect for spritzing all over. Another added bonus with hydrosols is that they are 100% safe for kids, pets, and older people. Next, you're going to trim the nozzle so that it fits in your bottle. This part doesn't have to be perfect. Just make sure it is short enough to fit in your bottle. Ta-da! Twist in the spray nozzle securely and you're ready to spray. Now for the fun part. Spray and enjoy this product's many uses. Air freshener, mist into the air to freshen your bedrooms, bathrooms, closets, or your car. You can also use this as a cooling facial mist. Spritz your face for a refreshing, soothing pick-me-up. Perfect. Use it for a fabric and pillow refresher. You can also spray blankets, curtains, or furniture. Use it as a skin soother. You can mist on skin to calm and refresh after shaving or sun exposure. For a pet-safe refresher, use around pet bedding, but avoid spraying directly on your pet. For a bath scent booster, add a few spritzes to the bath water for a gentle lavender aroma. Pretty cool, right? And if you want to make this lavender everyday spray for yourself, it's super easy, especially with the Simply Earth recipe box. You'll get everything you need to whip up natural, non-toxic skincare, cleaning, or wellness products right at home. And when you subscribe, you get a free big bonus box to kickstart your DIY journey. You can find this recipe and more at simplyearth.com. Remember, making is healing. Let's see how it turned out. It smells fresh and floral like a breeze through a lavender field. Let's test it out. This is super calming on my skin, and it smells like a fresh lavender field. Seriously, this could easily replace your store-bought sprays, and you just made it in minutes. If this worked for me, it can work for you too. Try it yourself and let me know how it goes. Share your creation with the hashtag #IMadeThis and tag From Simply Earth, and you could win a free $100 gift card and get featured on our pages. And if you want more easy, fun, toxin-free DIYs, subscribe to the Simply Earth recipe box. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.